Check it out, what just came in from my buddy Donnie B over at Anderson Ford Motorsport. This is one of their really cool billet belt tensioners. And this is it. Let me get it out of the pack here for you. So this thing is really neat. Basically, it screws in on the Vortech side like this, and then you tighten this down, it pushes the bracket and puts tension on it. So let me show you what that looks like. Come over here. There's a hole right here in the Vortech, and you can see the bracket. There's plenty of room with the tension on it, so I can put that screw in here and tighten it down. What I will tell you is my bracket was what they call the modern bracket. It was sticking way up here and covering the hole, and I actually put it in my chop saw and I cut it in anticipation of getting this thing so it can push down. That is actually in their instructions. It tells you if your bracket's modern like that, you have to cut this piece off, which I already did. Now I can put this on, so let me put it on, and this should guarantee that we get all the boost. Stay tuned. All right, hard to do with the radiator hose. I should take the radiator hose off, but that's it. Adjust it down. Your belt length may vary and how much you cut your bracket may vary, but you can see where it just basically pushes down and tightens the belt. And then a test is to do this. See how tight it is by the sound it makes. Pretty tight. And down here at the bottom, see we got clearance, not gonna rub. Everything looks good. So that's it. That will fix any belt slippage problems that you had, pending that you have a good belt to begin with. But that's it. Now we'll go out and see what kind of boost it makes. So to recap, the belt tensioner worked great. On that particular car, is a good friend of mine that I was working on it for him. I did a camshaft install. He was technically seeing anywhere an average in between 7 and 9 pounds of boost. And as you made RPMs go up, it would actually slip a little bit and it would make 5 to 6 pounds. After the tensioner install, it actually held between 9 and 10 pounds consistently at higher RPM. So I'll show you some of that in the video as I'm going through the gears, and it's pulling and it's staying constant and it's not dropping off. So does tensioner work? Absolutely. It works so good I run on my own car. So this is my Foxbody. It's got a 347 stroker motor and a Vortech V2 supercharger. And you can see I've got the same tensioner on here from Anderson Ford Motorsport. Works great. So I definitely like that product. It's built nice, it installs relatively easy, and it does what it's supposed to do. It keeps tension on the belt and keeps it from slipping. If you have any questions, give me a shout, let me know, or reach out to Donnie at Anderson Ford Motorsport, and he'll hook you up with the latest and greatest parts for your car. Matter of fact, he helped me get the Holley Terminator X on that Foxbody, and it runs beautifully. Talk to you soon.